my 99 Lexus GS300. And this car sucks.
If you got loose lips, you should know what we do with betrayers. Niggas ruthless, can't watch what you say, you need a...
Alright, so we got the motor assembled back in the 240SX convertible. This car runs, drives. I fixed the idle issue. The only thing is that it leaks oil from the front timing cover, so we're gonna go ahead and rip that apart. But the GS300 right here has a horrible misfire. I ran the code 304 and 0300. So really quick, we're just gonna go ahead and change out those coil packs. It's not the main point of the video. Quick, we're just gonna breeze through it. Then we're gonna go back to the 240. Also, I have something else to show you that I just bought. I bought this Lexus GS300. The car has a, this is not the manual, this is the automatic, but the car has a blown head gasket, so we're gonna go ahead and change that head. All right, so taking off this throttle body to get to the Coilpacks is very simple. It's just a couple of 10s right here, some 10s and 12s up there. Just pull off a few of these hoses right there. I'll go ahead and record myself doing it. Take off the throttle cables so this throttle body can slide off. There's a stud right there, and then you just get these torques right here. 1, 2, 3. There should be a fourth one, but I don't have it. All this comes off. All right, so this is the throttle body. If you guys got to do this on your GS, don't be scared or nervous or whatever. It's actually really easy. It's just a 10, 12s, 12. Unclip this, take this 14 millimeter off of here, unclip that, unclip this, and then take this off right here, and then it just slides right out. So these coil packs right here are kind of weird. So 4 jumps off to 3, 6 jumps to 1, and then 2 jumps off to number 5 up there. All right, so I changed out the coil packs. I went ahead and put some dielectric grease in there, plugged them all up. I'm kind of running through this pretty quickly because I don't want to be doing this. I want to work on my 240. So I'm going to try to get this done, and then we can get to this. Okay, so here is where the problem lies. This one was the one that I had on my motor, and you can see that it has a little dip right there, and that's where it was leaking oil from. And you look at the other S13 one, well, this is the one from the S13, that's for the S14. This one, it just goes straight down. It doesn't have that little C. So I took this one off of my spare motor, and then I'm just gonna, I cleaned it up, got it all ready. Well, I cleaned off the RTV. I'm still gonna get all this dirt off before I put it on the motor. I'm gonna wash it and then let it dry. And then, you know, I took a wire wheel and got a good portion of the dirt out and oil, so it's okay. But yeah, I still gotta clean it one more time, and then I'm gonna RTV it. Cover taken off. I just put some Dawn dish soap, started cleaning it. We're gonna go ahead and paint it this hot pink. This should be interesting. And then I cleaned up this, and I got all that RTV from the cracks, so I'm going to go ahead and clean that. This is not getting painted, but this will get painted. So probably not today because it is getting dark already. Sanded it down with like 120 grit, and it's not perfect. It's just so that, let me go out here. It's just so that we can put the primer. We're gonna go ahead and paint it, but I gotta take a shower because we're gonna go to church in a minute. So looks pretty good. I kind of would like to just go ahead and do it chrome and polish it, but we already got this far. I'll save that for the Lexus. New rod's turbo primered. We got the valve cover primered. Got a little bit of runs up there, but that's okay. Nice pink one. I think I'm gonna put a clear coat on it though first. Alright, so I got the timing cover on there. It's all cleaned up. RTV to let it dry overnight. I'm gonna go ahead and put that valve cover on there, stab the distributor, and keep it going. I like to put the RTV around these little moons right here. I don't necessarily put it around the whole thing. I've seen some people do that, but I feel like it just ends up making a big old mess everywhere. So I just do those little half moons. Unfortunately, I'm running out of time. I have the spark plug wires right here. I put some dielectric grease, so when I get back, I'm gonna go install these. And this is my motor. Excuse me, beautiful. So I got the valve cover on. I went ahead and cleaned all of these little wire holders. I re-stabbed the distributor at top dead center, put the spark plug back in there, so when I get back we should be ready to go. It looks like I got some of that old oil that spilled burning off the exhaust. You can't see it well on camera. Actually, yeah, you can. Alright, so I have that oil leak. I think it's coming from the valve cover, but just to be sure, I got this UV dye. I'm gonna go ahead, put it in the oil, run it, and then hit a flashlight and see where it's coming from. I really hope it's coming from the valve cover because that's easy. Alright, so it's actually been about a month. All I did was tighten these bolts down, put a little bit of RTV, and it hasn't leaked. Within that month, I end up putting coilovers. As you can see, the car is significantly lower, and yeah, it stopped leaking. I want to get this s13 finished being put back together. This one actually had a blown head gasket, so I've been doing that in another video. So that's kind of what I've been doing for the last couple of weeks, just putting this motor back together. But once this is done, then we can go ahead and put the turbo kit on the 240. You can see here I have the turbo, the manifold, I have the intercooler piping, the injectors. All I need to do is spend like 400 bucks on the ROM tune, but yeah, everything else I have, fuel pump, Z32 MAF, all that stuff. So yeah, in total I probably spend like 600 bucks on this turbo kit, everything included. So if you guys want to see this car get turbocharged really cheap, it's not gonna be the fastest. It's only gonna be like 250 horsepower. But yeah, consider subscribing. If not, God bless you, and I'll see you in the next one.